here we are at the salt factory.
Hey, I'm Mia, and this is my life in Japan.
Hey guys, today we're island hopping. We're going to a salt factory located on Ike Island, which is off of Okinawa. This is where we're going right here. I'm pretty sure that I'm saying it right, but I might not be. I've never been to a salt factory before. Ooh, it's bright. We just arrived. I think we're in the right place. Here we are. Are you gonna get in there with me or not? I'm assuming the salt factory is somewhere over here. Is this the boat that they get the salt with? Okay, we're walking in now. I think we're in the right spot. Walking in. Whoa, it smells like salt! Oh, whoa! That is so cool! I'm so shook. It looks like snow. That's amazing! Okay, so here we are at the salt factory. It's a beautiful November day here in Okinawa, Japan, and there's a beautiful view in the background. The weather's beautiful, Mom is beautiful, Chaz is beautiful, the salt is beautiful.
Life is beautiful.
And we're having a good day at the salt factory. Here's something.
Through there.
What is it? That's the reflection of the sky, I think. Here's the salt. Wow, this is amazing. I'm impressed. Oh, they're sifting through the salt.
Because you gotta like get through batches and stuff.
The final inspection is all done by hands and eye to maintain our muchimatsu quality. In this process, the color, the taste, and the smell, to say nothing of the presence of mixing impurities, are inspected. Did I say that? The smell, to say nothing of the presence of mixing impurities, are inspected? English? All right, here's the third thing. Oh, are there more of those people? Yes, they're still sifting salt. More salt to sift. I guess there's a whole room to sift, so
Gonna be here a while.
so I think that was basically, that's all that we get to see in the salt factory, just through these windows. I mean, I can't complain. That was pretty cool. Should have read all of these things. There's the second one. You could not step into the salt room, though you peep at something like snow scene. The floor of our salt room is covered by powdery salt. While the patent mist generators are running, the atmosphere in the room seems hazy because of floating salt crystals.
The mist-dried method, called the instant aerial crystallized method with the normal temperature. The fresh seawater is sprinkled as very tiny mist by patented mist generators. By blowing the mist off into the air, only water is instantly evaporated while remaining every mineral in seawater. Then those minerals stack onto the floor like snowing.
Merry Christmas! Oh look, that's exactly what I put in my other video. We're now in the salt gift shop, and there's lots of salt things. Wow. Is this a salt toothbrush? I think it's just a regular toothbrush. Why? Why would she buy a toothbrush? Oh, Sadie would have to buy one of these. A salt bath bomb. This might be some salt water, I don't know. But you can just get that from the ocean for free. Lots of salt things, but also things that aren't salty. We're going out the salt door. Here we are on the salt patio. Oh, whoa! We're going up the salt stairs now. Wow, this is cool. Whoa. Oh, it's scary. We're now on the salt patio up here. We went up these salt stairs. Mom told me to hold my salt camera, but it's not gonna fall. Woo! So yeah, here we are in salt paradise at the salt factory, surrounded by salt water. I mean, what more could you ask for? These stairs are actually kind of scary. Wow, scary. So that was the salt factory. Okay, we just left the salt factory and now we're gonna go do the salt trail. Happy Cliff. Going up the salt stairs. Wow, this is a good view. Something's got in my eye, it's probably salt.
Here we go. Horns.
But every time we take a picture of him, he sneezes.
And that was our trip to the Japanese salt factory. If you guys would like to see more videos from Asia, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you and your view. Thank you guys so much for watching.